Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing good, keeping safe, and of course had a great weekend. In today's video, I want to chat to you guys about XRP. So I want to basically bring some facts to you guys about the case, give you guys some updates, and also share my thoughts on whether or not I believe that this case is going to be the end for XRP. And as well as sharing my thoughts on the case, I'm going to go through the price action, so letting you guys know how I believe that the price is going to get affected by this case, and just in general about the whole crypto market, what's going on around it, and how that's going to affect XRP's price. And if you guys don't want to miss any of the good stuff, make sure you watch to the end. With that being said, let's get this bread. So we start off with generally seeing what Elon Musk has said, because whenever he posts, things happen within the crypto space. So he posted on Friday 14th of March, Tesla merch buyable with Dogecoin. So a lot of Dogecoin investors would have been anticipating that this was going to be the case, or whether or not this was going to be the case. And of course, when he posted this, the price of Doge pretty much took off. You know, on the 14th of January, the price of Doge went from 17 cents all the way up to 21 cents. So a lot of you guys might be thinking, you know what, I came here for XRP, why are you talking about Dogecoin, etc. But the reason I'm talking about Dogecoin is just to look at the overall crypto space, what's going on within it. You might be focused on XRP, or you might be invested in Solana, etc. But you need to know what's going on in general. You need to know what's going on with Bitcoin, because whenever Bitcoin moves, everything else generally moves. You need to know what's going on with Ethereum, all of that. So you need to have a sort of a broad, holistic view of the market, what's going on within the whole market, and then you kind of better understand what's going on within the section that you're invested in. Just to give you guys an example, so Dogecoin from the 11th of January started rising above the 10 moving average. So if we then have a look at XRP, as you can see, the same, pretty much 11th of January, the price started rising a little bit. So Dogecoin started rising, XRP started rising. So Dogecoin pretty much could have affected XRP, and the fact that Elon Musk tweeted affected Dogecoin, of course, because he was basically all about Dogecoin with that tweet, and a lot of people rushed it. So a lot of people might have started investing in other cryptos, and XRP could have been basically a byproduct of this. We'll go more into the price action later on in this video. So let's now have a look at the case of XRP and whether or not this case could be the end of XRP. Before we delve into the case, right, well, first of all, let's basically see what this case is all about, because let's face it, right, we might invest into this because we see there's a court case, and I'll give you another example of how this has been the case. But they might invest into this because, oh, there's a court case, but we just really need to know what is this about, you know, and is there a chance that XRP is going to win, or is it going to be SEC, etc. So the SEC versus Ripple case has been going on since 2020, when the regulatory agency charged Ripple with launching and issuing unregistered securities as XRP tokens. The SEC also accused the company of illegally selling $1.3 billion worth of XRP tokens. The SEC are saying, you know what, fam, you're illegally selling tokens, and you're saying that, you know what, XRP token is a security when it's not. So the SEC is a regulatory body, so they have to regulate all of these markets, right? And they could be getting worried why they've done this with XRP, and a lot of people feel it's unfair because they feel they gave Ethereum a free pass, but they're not giving XRP a free pass. The SEC are coming hard on XRP, is that XRP and other tokens, right, they go off the Ethereum network. You can basically, anyone and a granny can create a token, right? And it has been the case. The SEC might feel that it's been getting out of hand. They initially gave Ethereum a free pass, saying that, you know what, okay, Ethereum, it makes sense, it's crypto, whatever, like people could invest in it. Maybe they've proven that it's stable, it's all of this, right? On the back of that, a lot of people started maybe creating tokens, and the SEC are like, hang on, Wagwan fam, you know, like what is going on? You know, everyone creating crypto, and of course it's unregulated, so it's higher risk. Maybe they just blanketed the XRP as part of that, thinking that, you know what, XRP maybe it's on one of the unstable tokens, because there's been a lot of rug pull tokens, you know, people investing into this, and then the developers of that token just run off with the money and think that's it, you know, and people obviously complain because losing money is not good, being scammed is not good. So in a way, the SEC might be trying to protect people against that, but the XRP are taking them to court. You know, they're fighting that case, so they're proving that they're legitimate, you know, by going to fight that case. They're taking on the big dogs. You know, you want to chill with the big dogs, you know, they're chilling with the big dogs at this point. And a lot of our investors that are backing us, you know, you guys who are invested into XRP, you guys are upset as well. You guys are sharing your own thoughts and opinions, and you're not backing down from this, which is good because the XRP has got a good community around it. There's a tweet from James Phelan saying, due to complications related to COVID, the parties have filed a joint letter requesting until February 28th, 2022 to complete expert discovery, stating that the extension, if granted, will not impact any other deadlines in the case. So he also posted the extension request dating January the 12th. You guys may already be aware of this news, so why am I bringing it to you guys? So the reason I'm bringing it to you guys is that you need to understand that court cases could take a long time. All right, let's face it, you might be thinking, okay, something's going to happen, and it doesn't happen due to whatever complications. Like in this case, it's COVID. It could be other legal matters. It could be the judge is still on the toilet and he can't attend court, hypothetically speaking, right? But point I'm making is court cases could take a long time. And an example I'm going to use is penny stock that I used to talk about on my channel, HCMC. Basically, the case with HCMC was that, they were suing Philip Morris for a patent. All right, so HCMC will file some evidence, and then they'll wait 2 weeks for Philip Morris to respond, and then Philip Morris to respond, and then again another 2 weeks, etc. And this took a long time, right? And eventually people started getting annoyed, losing patience, and thinking, we're not going to win this case, this and that, and a lot of people pulled out of their investments or whatever. They just lost faith in it. And the reason I'm using that example is that this is something you guys need to bear in mind with this XRP case. It might take a long time, especially seeing as where it's a pandemic. You need to bear that in mind, that this could take longer than anticipated. So ask yourselves, do I have the patience to wait this out? Am I really backing XRP with this investment? Am I really backing this investment? Am I going to hold on it to a long term, or am I just in it for the ride that, okay, they're going to win the case and that's going to be a huge catalyst that would propel the price to God knows what, like going from below $1 all the way up to $100 real quick? Is that why I'm there? Or am I going to wait it out that the price might drop from 70 cents, let's say, all the way down to 20 cents? How would I feel about that? Because the case has been extended and people are pulling out. So these are things that you need to consider when investing into something that has like political news, legal news, geopolitical news, geographic news. All these things influence the price of something. These are things that you need to consider. And lastly, there's that meeting on the 24th of January between representatives of XRP and the SEC. They're gonna basically discuss things, and they're gonna grill the SEC. They're gonna be asking a lot of why questions to the SEC, and the SEC have to respond. Basically, I think they're gonna be swayed towards saying, XRP, maybe they are legit, maybe they just need to get audited. I believe they're gonna start viewing that XRP as a stable investment rather than just maybe another token that people want to get rich quick. The developers want to get rich on and just move away. The people be there asking on Reddit, where's Lambo? Well, the Lambo is sitting in the developers' garages of a lot of these tokens. It's not sitting in your garage. So to answer the question, will this case be the end of XRP? I'll let you guys know after I've done the price action. Just summarize, explain my thoughts on it. So if I have a look at the chart for XRP, and it looks like the price is actually making a good recovery so far, because it's basically gotten to a support around 69 cents, around 70 cents, and it's a very good support. So if we zoom back out, you can see that 70-cent line is actually a good area, because every time the price has gotten to it, something has happened. It's either bounced back up or it's fallen below. So basically it was a resistance at this point, it was a support at this point, the price broke above that resistance and all of that. So more recently the price is actually holding that support very well, and it's rebounded from that, and not just rebounded from that support, but it's actually gotten above the 10 moving average. Right now the momentum looks like it's shifting from the bearish side to the bullish side, and we can start seeing some really beautiful green candles right now, some pump it candles. But first of all, the price needs to head to 86 cents, and 86 cents is actually a resistance right now. It was previously a support. So if the price gets up to that, I'll be expecting a lot of bearish activity, but it might be very possible that there'll be a lot of momentum built up within this move that takes the price up to 86 cents. In that momentum will be enough to actually break the resistance and continue heading up. But the important thing to know is that the build up of this momentum is really subject to what's going on with this case, and people are really tuning into what is going on with the case, and especially on the 24th of January we might see a lot of momentum and a big move in one way or the other. But I believe if there's going to be a big move from 24th of January, I believe that move will be heading up to break that 86-cent resistance. So guys, do I think this case is going to be the end of XRP? Well, it really depends, and the way things are going right now, I don't believe it's going to be the end of XRP, because look, a lot of the grilling is taking place towards SEC. They have to explain themselves, but it could possibly be the end of XRP in the sense that if it drags on too long and a lot of you guys who are investing in it lose patience, you know, like think, you know what, this is going on too long, I'm not seeing a return on investment, I'm not seeing this investment as worthwhile. Or you might see another crypto that's really got a lot more promising, like things like it's gonna take off, it's gonna head to the moon, all that stuff, you know, because at the end of the day, we're human beings, we're driven by emotion, and the whole market, crypto, stocks, whatever market, is basically just a whole showcase of people's emotions, you know, that's all it is. And myself, you know, investors might be thinking, you know what, this is taking too long, like I've said, and just pull out on the investments. And of course, as you pull out of an investment, giggity, you really just drive the price down, you add selling pressure to it, and a lot of people shorten it, will add more selling pressure, and eventually it might just be the end of it. The way things are going right now, I think it's more positive than negative towards XRP. So guys, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on XRP. I invested in it, and also if you're invested in Dogecoin or thinking about investing in it and it's something that you want me to cover on my channel, let me know in the comments below, guys. I can only really do content based on your feedback. You know, what you guys want to see, that's what I'm gonna bring out. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate every one of you, even those who have subscribed and not subscribed. But if you've not subscribed, then do me a favor, just subscribe. It's totally free. You know, you could definitely learn a thing or two on my channel. But anyway, God bless, guys.